Moving on to our next topic, that is muscles. How many of you know about the muscles? I think all of you know about the muscles. You must have seen people building bodies, going to the gyms and building big muscles in their bodies, yeah? I think all of you may have seen it, right? So these are muscles. So all these soft tissues that you see on your bony structure. अब see, अगर आप hand touch कर रहे हैं अपना, for example, touch your upper arm like this. You'll feel the bones inside it. But bones के ऊपर क्या present है? What is giving us a proper structure? Means कि कैसा, कितना fluffy है, if we have fat or not. So basically ये deposition, fats वगैरह ये सब कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? किसके ऊपर आ रहे हैं? So the answer is very simple. And answer is muscles. So muscles are things which are being formed on the bony structure, जो हमें पूरा एक proper body shape दे रहे हैं. So now bend your arm at the elbow and touch your shoulder with a thumb. See, this is my arm. Now what I'm doing is I am bending my elbow. So this is my elbow. This is the joint we are talking about. Now I'm bending my elbow like this and I'm putting my thumb over my shoulder like this. See? Do this also. आप भी ये करेंगे. So what you'll feel now, what we will feel, that the upper region of arm gets swollen. This is the upper region of arm. हम बात करते हैं ना muscles की. When you go to the gym and you work out a lot and your muscles are formed, big muscles are formed in your arm, in your leg, and the whole body looks toned properly. Yeah? So these muscles get swollen up. तो ये swollen क्यों हो रहे हैं? Why they are getting swollen up? Now, this is a muscle. ये जो चीज आपको swollen दिख रही है, while you are bending your elbow like this, so you'll find that the bulging out thing that you feel on the upper arm is what? This is a muscle. Now, see, this was the arm, straight arm that we just discussed, did experimentally in the class. Now, when you bend your elbow like this, do you see a bulge-like structure is being formed on the upper arm? Here. Are you able to see it? So, this is what, these are the muscles which are acting. Now, what happens is, when contracted, the muscle becomes shorter, stiffer, and thicker. Now, what does that mean? How a muscle is getting shorter and stiffer and thicker? What could be the reason? So, I am stretching my arms like this. So, every muscle present on my arm is getting stretched out like this. Or not? Feel it on your own. Stretch your arms like this and you'll feel that every muscle on your arm is getting stretched out. Now, this is the length of your arm and whole muscle is what? Extending till the length of your arm. तो length arm की और muscles की equal है इस time पे, right? But whenever I'm bending my elbow like this, तो जितनी muscles यहाँ पे stretch थी, वो आपस में accumulate करके आ गई. For example, ये arm है with fingers, yeah? It is a stretched arm like this. तो यहाँ पे muscles और arm का length equal है, or not? But whenever we are bending, हम जब bend कर रहे हैं, for example, this is elbow. तो अब हमने जब elbow से bend कर दिया, तो now a small bulge-like structure you'll feel arising from here. Please don't mind diagram, I'm telling you again. Yeah? So क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Muscles जो है वो accumulate कर रहे हैं. Muscles are being accumulated here. Should I write it? Muscles got accumulated. Accumulated. आपस में इकट्ठी हो गई है muscles. Because of which the muscles have become shorter. And stiffer. यहाँ पे accumulate होने के कारण they got stiff here. Also, they have become thicker. Right? So that is why it is written here that when contracted, the muscle becomes shorter, stiffer, and what else? Thicker. So it pulls the bone. Bone कैसे आ रहा है? अब क्योंकि अगर हम, for example, I am bending my elbow, so bone भी तो साथ में आ रहा है ना? तो इसको basically pull कौन कर रहा है? Because we have muscles on top of our body, so कौन pull करेगा bone को? Muscles pull करेंगे. So muscles are pulling the bone towards the contracted position. ये contracted position है muscle की, and the muscles are pulling the bone with them to form this bent structure of our elbow. Yeah, right? Now, muscle work in pairs. How? Muscles पेयर में काम करती हैं, बट अभी तक तो हमने यही देखा है कि हमने जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया तो मसल एक जगह इकट्ठी हो गई, तो अब पेयर में कैसे वर्क करेंगी? So here's the thing, when one of them contracts, bone is pulled in that direction, other muscle relaxes. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? See again, ये मेरा stretched arm है. Now, when I'm trying to bend my elbow like this, what is happening? The upper muscle is getting contracted. Or not? मेरा जो ऊपर वाला मसल है अपर आर्म में, it is getting contracted here like this. So which muscle we are talking about is relaxing? हम कौन से मसल की बात कर रहे हैं जो रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं? So we are talking about the muscle present in the lower side of our arm. Do like this. सभी लोग ऐसे करेंगे. Contract your muscle like this. Elbow अपना bend करिए सभी. Now touch the muscle contracted here like this. Are you able to feel it? Now, touch these muscles here. These are relaxed muscles. They are not doing anything because they are not getting contracted anywhere. Contraction नहीं हो रही उनमें, हो रही है क्या? नहीं हो रही है. So, these muscles are in action and the lower muscles are relaxing. So, now what will happen? To move the bone in opposite direction, relaxed muscle contracts. जब बोन को वापस उसके ये ओरिजिनल पोजीशन कौन सा है बोन का? ये तो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन नहीं, आप ऐसे ही थोड़ी रहते हो सारा दिन, है ना? हम कैसे रहते हैं? इन अ रिलैक्स स्टेट. सो बोन का ओरिजिनल पोजीशन क्या है? रिलैक्स स्टेट. और यू पुट योर हैंड्स डाउन, तो हमारे हैंड्स क्या रहते हैं? स्ट्रेट रहते हैं. तो दिस इज द रिलैक्स पोजीशन. तो हमें बोन्स को उसके ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में वापस लेके आना है. नाउ व्हिच मसल विल एक्ट? द लोअर मसल. नाउ इट विल गेट कंट्रैक्टेड. See, pushing your arm like this, you'll feel that the lower muscle is acting. So what it is doing? It is now pulling back this bone to its original position like this. So कौन-कौन सी muscles काम कर रही हैं? The upper muscle is also working. The lower muscle is also working. So क्या हो गई? ये दो muscles हो गई. So now we can say that two muscles are working in pair. दो तरह की मसल्स क्या कर रही हैं? पेयर में काम कर रही हैं. एक ऊपर कंट्रैक्ट कर रही है तो दूसरी रिलैक्स कर रही है, एंड दूसरी व्हेन कंट्रैक्ट कर रही है तो ऊपर वाली रिलैक्स हो रही है. या सो दिस इज हाउ मसल्स आर वर्किंग लाइक दिस.